Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we want to go ahead and install WhatsApp on our Motorola Moto G24, and we do not have it installed on our phone yet, so we will need to go to our Play Store and then type in WhatsApp here in our search bar, WhatsApp, and then when we click on it, we have install here, so we will do that. And now we can go to our home screen and then WhatsApp pops up here. We will click on it and now we can select our language. Welcome to WhatsApp, choose your language to get started. English is just fine. We will go ahead. Welcome to WhatsApp. Family, friends, and other people who use our service may have uploaded your number to WhatsApp. If so, they can see you in their contacts after you sign up. Alright, agree and continue. Allow WhatsApp to send notifications, sure. And now we need to add our phone number. We say next. Is this number correct? Yes, verifying. To automatically verify with a missed call to your phone. We want to verify via SMS, sending code now, verifying. We got the SMS now and it verified automatically. Contacts and media to easily send messages and photos to friends and family. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos, and other media. Sure, continue. Allow WhatsApp to access contacts. Sure. Audio, sure. Access photos and videos. Sure. If you previously backed up to Google storage and want to restore, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. We do not have a backup, and so we say skip. And now we can edit our name here. You can also put emojis behind your name, and then we can click on our photo and say camera, for example, and then we can make a new picture from our background here. We say sure, that's done, and now we can crop that, say done, and then we can say next. And then we have our chats here, updates, community calls, and when you click on these three little dots, we have settings here, and we could go to our settings and then edit our name and our profile picture again, for example. So that's how you install and set up WhatsApp on your Motorola Moto G24. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.